Oh my god! Oh my god, I almost died. This is what I get for not vlogging for like the last week. I'm so sorry, guys. And I have like this little blister in my leg too. Well, let's talk now because I'm sorry. Oh my god, I almost fucking died. Holy, that was like a near-death experience. Like, what the fuck? So I don't walk on stairs. Let's talk about what happened. So I moved here on Thursday and it's Wednesday, so it's almost a week. And my room, I would have vlogged my room coming together, but let's just wait for it to finish. Okay, so it's gonna be like 1 week of me living in this like brand new house with my family. I'm super excited. But I would have recorded my room coming together, but not one thing I should have. Half my clothes is still in sacks. So I would have posted that video if it came together. So I think I'm just gonna post a video without it coming together. Like, I don't have a bed yet. I don't have my desk, my mirror. Like, I don't have so many things. It's actually frustrating me right now. So I'm literally just sleeping on a mattress and like all my stuff is in this big ass sack across the room. Like, just very cluttered and I'm not here for it. It's literally been a week. I got my curtains hanged. The fireplace got built. That's something new. But today I thought you guys could like run some errands with me. Oh, I'm wearing my AirPods. I didn't know that. I need coffee and I'm fasting. I can't have coffee. I thought you guys would like to ran some errands with me. So I'm gonna go. My mom's doing this thing, so I don't know what I'm doing. But for mine, I want to run errands and I want to buy some makeup from Walmart because I always get the foundation from Walmart because I want to take some bomb ass pictures, guys. I'm gonna wear some like traditional clothing and it's gonna look so good. And I just posted my vaccine pictures, so go like that. What else? I also need to buy vanilla ice cream and Oreos because I'm in the mood for Oreo McFlurry. I've made it before and it tastes the exact same. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Look at me looking hella moisturized. Just woke up about like 30 minutes ago. Look at this color on me. Tell me this does not look good. I don't know what I'm saying. Holy, I need coffee. Guys, when I was getting my vaccination, I saw this coffee place and I'm in love and I'm coming back. Once I get my driver license, which is when Ramadan's over, because it looked so cute and I love the aesthetic of it. And we're here to the first appointment. It's this guy about the house. Like, we need to talk to him about like certain things not working. And my room has mold, I think. So just things like that. She goes, nothing in our house or our life is private because you're always taking pictures and videos. Okay, and okay, park, mommy. Okay, we just finished the first errand. Where are we going now? Huh? Holy, just tell me. Okay, tell me. Oh, and we also need to donate for the month of Ramadan because that's like one of the pillars of Islam. So we're gonna do that. Like, you have to, like, if you have enough money, you have to donate, you know what I mean? Oh, yo, if you break your fast for no reason, you have to fast for 2 months and then you have to feed the homeless. I saw it on the shuk, but yeah, that's crazy. 2 months. Nope, I'm fine. There's a lot of construction men here, guys, and you know how I feel about them. Don't we all feel that way? I feel like pretty boys are just, you know what I mean, like, but yeah. I can't get coffee in this vlog, which is really weird, but it's fine. Oh my god, today, guys, I want to buy ice cream and Oreos, but mom's saying no. Why are you saying no, Hoya? We're going to Walmart if we have time. Since we finished Ray early, can we go to Walmart? Yay, we can! I'm like, I kind of vibe with this. Okay, look at that. Yeah, right there. Like, I've never seen this part of where I live. It's super cool, super old. I kind of like it. Oh yeah, I like this area better than the one we used to live, because this area is like empty.
Which area?
This area.
No, talking about this place. No, talking.
This is downtown? Why are you laughing? I didn't know this was downtown. I guess this is not empty. I guess it's just empty now because of quarantine. Because of quarantine, because of Corona. Okay, sleep. I meant to do this. Okay, bye. So we made it to the place. This is like a place that has like a lot of like African businesses. It's kind of like in a warehouse. I don't really get what this is, but I hope they get some traction soon. But they're really popular, so that's good. Should I make TikToks or no? Actually, there's no point in making TikToks because I don't know any dances. If I hear dances, do it. Okay, I'm gonna practice my catwalk since I want to be a model. Did I tell you guys that? Yeah, I want to be a model. And since I'm 5'9", I could do that, right? Probably gonna be like the second shortest model there. Mascot smile. Don't be a Trump supporter. I look really good in this green. Like, I kind of vibe with it. What should we do? I want to hang out with you guys. Let me find my spinny chair, because usually I have a chair. Okay, I'm currently at the bank. I have to wait in line. Who knew it would be this cold in April? Thank you. Okay. Oh, okay, there's like 4 people in front of me. What is this? And we're done at the bank! Look at us. Next is Food Basic. And then my brother's old school. Because he changed address, so he changed his school too, guys. It's common sense. Okay, I'm at the grocery store, just got banana. So now we're heading to the cookie section. I love it all the time. I'm at the grocery store, I don't like talking to anybody because I'm embarrassing them. Cookie section. Cookie and ice cream. Oreos are $3. Yeah, maybe that's just the birthday cake. Where's the original? Original. $3 fucking dollars? The fuck? For what reason? I bought 2 margarita pizzas. I've always heard about them. I just wanted to try it. They're $2.97 each, so I just bought 2. The vanilla ice cream. Here we are. I always take the bottom one, or the one that's like in the further corner. I'm gonna cry. Do you guys think the pierogies have like meat or in it? Because here it just says potato and cheese. So I might get this and then drop one of the pizza, but the pizza has like 200 calories. It's like, and I can eat it for supper. I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna get it because my mom, my head's like, your mom's gonna kill you. But again, it's like my money, mom. I need to stop. Bye. I have to give my mom's lactose milk. Free lactose milk. Okay, pierogies are down, but I bought my brother Papa Patrol waffles. I'll do a haul when I get them before. We just finished my old school / Mohammed's old school. I went to 5th and 6th grade here when I came to Canada.
I miss what's one.
And my mom's crying. Wait, why are you crying? It's just a school. Hopefully the new school is like, I feel like the new school is gonna be like, it's gonna be like really ugly because Westmount had the Usabwai. They made a new one. Okay, we just finished out Liam. We're about to go home and hopefully the break arrives in the next 30 minutes because I have no patience. My ice cream is melting. Melting, I'm melting. My outfit's super gorge. What is it?
What time of delivery going?
Raquel, did you mean gorgelicious or gorge-tastic? No, Barbie.
Excuse
I mean
me?
gorge.
Excuse me?
How long? Yeah, Saturday, darling. Whip! Now watch me, Nana. Where did that man go? He did the biggest pop in that year. This is like a... Guys, they're opening a Chick-fil-A here 1 month from now. June 10th, yeah. They're opening a Chick-fil-A right there. I'm gonna try the waffle fries everyone talks about and the sauce. I don't want to eat something not halal, so I'm probably gonna get like their fish menu, so I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Hey.
But yeah, look, this is the Chick-fil-A. Where is it? Hello? Chick-fil-A right there. Oh, Chick-fil-A is like American. But there's one in Toronto, but now they have one in literally where I live, which is ridiculous. It's like, why us? Canada only has that one, what's it called again? Oh my god, I know this.
Canada.
Hey, why are you eating McDonald's again, Hoy? Eat the Canadian fast food.
Canada.
Oh, Canada, a romantic lane. Now Somali time. We got Somalia and Canada share the same, like, July 1st. And then Justin Trudeau's always like, Happy Somali Day and Canada Day.
Happy Canada Day
and Somali Day. Like, man, I love Justin Trudeau. Well, but yeah, I love Justin Trudeau. The Chick-fil-A looks so good. Oh my god. I can't wait to try. I probably could do like a mukbang type of thing, you know what I mean? Hold on. I'm putting this on top of it. Okay. Then I'm gonna do a grocery haul for you guys. Okay, now that the thumbnail is done, let's do a haul. Can you see me? Now that the thumbnail is done, let's do a haul. I got margarita pizza. Like I said, I've heard a lot about this. All the models eat this, and this time I want to be a model. I was like on the Wayne. It's super low calories. It's 210. So that's pretty good. I got 2 of them. It comes with tomato, parsley, and mozzarella cheese. So that's pretty good. And then I got 2 packs of the Oreo thing for my Oreo McFlurry tonight. Am I a fat bitch? Yes, I am. I'm just swearing. I also got this Paw Patrol waffles for my brother, but he was super rude to me, so I'm gonna eat it for myself. I got these lactose-free milk for my mom because she's allergic to regular milk. I got vanilla ice cream for the Oreo McFlurry. And banana, because you can never have too much banana in a Somali household. Let's put these things away, shall we? Look on the TV, that's me. This is my...
She's streaming, so you can go watch it right now.
I'm dead.
I'll put that on.
You were watching my video?
No, I was.
Well, I thought you didn't love me.
Oh, get roasted.
This is my, come to work with me. This is come to work with me.
That's our old house.
Let's skip. Like, this is literally me
What do you
working.
do with the actual one?
What do you mean?
The new house.
This is me. I was at work by myself.
At 6 a.m.
I'll be linked right here. Go watch. I'm literally... Okay, let me turn this up. Oh, there's already 82. So where's the volume? That's so crazy. That's so crazy that I'm on TV. Okay,
Why is it
Netflix.
so dirty? Why is your phone so dirty?
It's not my phone. It's obviously just like the iPhone is in the best quality. Hey,
Okay, you need
what
to
should
get
we
better
watch?
quality.
I think I'm gonna watch like... No. I thought something that's not like dirty, so I'm probably gonna watch Men's Club. Because... Okay, they brought the couch. Matt's gonna hold the camera and we're gonna break it apart. Okay, wait, don't. Okay, hold. And then we'll come this one. Ready? Ready?
Okay, one. I already opened it. I already did
Oh
it.
my god, look. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god.
And that's the pillows. We also have pillows with it.
I can't rip anything. It looks like it's it took until May 20th, but it came early.
Like,
It's a miracle!
because it came really, really early, actually.
Look at the colors! How is it? God,
Yeah, those are cute.
For what?
Woo the heck?
Okay, turn it. Okay, now I'm gonna do it. Okay, Hori wants us to clean, and then we'll set it up.
More happy.
No, we're not doing that.
Yes, stop. Shut up. Oh my god, stop it. Oh, shut up. Mira, shut it.
So the guy said they won't do it, so now we have to do it. But I thought it was just us putting it together, but it's so much more complicated. I can't. My mom keeps talking about me recording everything. But it's more complicated than we thought it would. So now I'm gonna go pray. Oh yeah, look how... Oh wait. Guys, so I just finished praying. I'm probably gonna finish setting this up. I don't know if I should include it in this vlog. Or, you know what, why not?
Why is it all the princesses here? Come on.
So this is updating her Disney Plus profile. Seriously? Set it up, but we don't know how to set it up, so this is just what's gonna do. Remember you guys went in the store when I was sitting on this one place and I was like, it's nice, but well, I didn't get the first sit, she did. And she's not moving.
No, no.
I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind.
But yeah, I'm definitely okay with that. I'm okay with that. The other place is gonna come here. But I'm definitely okay with that. Like I said, okay guys, stop saying I'm not okay with it.
I'm not gonna sound like James Charles. I know, right?
When he's like, I'm not happy or cracky and I don't really care. I'm not happy.
Who's that? When did he say that? I'm sorry. I don't know what you're talking about.
Guys, this also matches better with the...
You guys, I don't like this place just because I'm not happy or cracky. I don't care. I'm not happy or cracky. I'm not happy. Oh my god.
PR, I think you should PR, okay?
PR packet.
But I don't really care because Matt is saying I'm jealous, but I'm not really
You're gonna
jealous.
have to cut that out.
What?
Let's take that out.
For what part?
The whole thing.
Why?
Because
They're gonna attack you.
it has nothing to do with this thing. What? You know what?
It's a regular conversation. If he has a problem with it, let him DM my agent. For those that can leave on Instagram.
So wait, stop. It's actually gonna
I'll put it over here.
No, but stop.
If I heard my mom, no.
We're actually gonna go there.
One of her
No, I don't
photos,
care.
one of her photos, it's her reading a book. So
Yeah, guys, she's my agent.
It's archived. No one's gonna see that.
I don't care. I follow and then yeah.
And I'm deleting my Instagram. I actually am before this whole thing. I want to do my Instagram. Because I'm just tired of social media, you know?
You don't even follow anybody. How can you be tired of
No,
it?
exactly. I have like literally 100 something.
Okay, then just don't go on it. I hate people who delete like.
Like everyone's like posting like their amazing lives when we're literally everyone's supposed to be struggling right now.
You don't even have any followers.
No.
I mean, no one's. But you're not following anybody
I
either.
am following a lot of people. I'm following like this girl's coming out of the pool in the summer. I'm like, yo, police. Yo, Ontario. Oh my gosh, that's so unrealistic.
Is it a friend of yours? Is it a friend of yours? You heard of this friend who posted a picture of May 5th and you come out of pool? We hate you.
So many girls posted that. It's gonna be hard to track down one.
Okay, well, all of you then. Okay, guys, it's currently 8:50. I just broke my fast, and I want to show you guys something. Where did my mom put it? My mom made my chocolate milk. As Somalia every day, I used to drink this. And my mom made it, and I got to taste it. It was so good. Felt so nostalgic. I'm gonna try it for you guys again. She made the chocolate milk. Look how good it looks.
Chloe was having a crush on Mitchell and Trevor. She was like, okay, I'm gonna make Trevor.
Oh my god. This taste. Now come do a taste test for my YouTube channel. Come do a taste test.
Hubby.
He's gonna try my milk. Try my chocolate milk. Go. It's powder milk. It's not really good. I was lying to you. Go. Try it. Just try it.
I honestly feel bad for her. I was like, I think it's gonna break her heart. Damn. I think
What do you
started
think?
blowing out in the finale.
What do you think? You're so dramatic. Like, it's super good.
Ew. What is this? Dairy / what?
You literally drink processed milk where cows are getting butchered and murdered and hanged by their heads, and you're saying my milk is bad?
Yeah.
Do better.
Do better. You're eating tacos. You're eating tacos when it's literally 8 o'clock.
What did you didn't eat anything all day. You're literally becoming bones and skin.
What? Well, can I have some Takis? You guys see that? Give me some Takis.
Why?
Only one like two. Cancel culture.
In the progress.
I would love to be cancelled.
Why? But that doesn't really exist.
More publicity. Cancel me. Let me say all my unpopular opinions right now.
If you're really big, you can't get canceled. Oh.
Fat shaming and skinny shaming are not the same. That was going to say that.
Obviously.
Unpopular opinion again. Biden and Obama are better than Trump. No, they're not.
Hey.
What was that other guy? W. Bush?
That broke my heart.
Eating some chocolate fudge cake while breaking my fast because it's the bomb. It's only like, how much? $5 at your local grocery store. Banana, potatoes, and then we're having some dessert with milk. I'm wearing my green sweater. You can't really see it. This puffer. No, not puffer. This is not a puffer jacket. Puffer. It's a furry jacket. You can see the couch. Let's move your head. That's how it looks like. Okay, guys, let me explain the whole furniture. Okay, so I ordered it like about 3 weeks ago, and then they were like, it's gonna come like the next 3 days. I waited. No, in the next week. I was like, okay, bet, whatever. But it didn't come in the next week, so I had to move. Moving. Can you like change my? She goes, no, we can't change the address unless the product passes the border. I was like, okay, just email me when it changes the border. I was like, just email me when it passes the border. She goes, okay. She did not email me. So now they delivered it to my house like a day, 2 days later. Okay, fine, I'm finding it. but no one in my apartment stole it, which I'm so shocked because I feel like made it back to my old apartment. It literally feels like home. Look at this. Oh my god, it's literally empty. What the fuck? It literally looks so empty right now. What the hell? Oh my god. Hello? It doesn't feel like my house. It feels like this abandoned place. I think they... we forgot that thing. I could see our hair. I think they put like a spray thing. Holy... oh my god. I literally lived in this room for the last 8 years of my life. And now it's not mine. I think they sprayed some like bug spray or something. Oh my god! I'm gonna cry. Roy, what have you been in the washroom? Balka kusogada for Mother's Day. Yeah, what? I think Balka sunta القبو فيها.
Oh, Mother's Day.
Mother حاجة. Oh yeah, I miss it. Okay, I'm leaving. Our house was not this dirty. I love you. That's so nostalgic. Okay, time to get the package. Oh, هيك ما قاتين. Oh, I thought you had قاتين. Packages in there. That literally took us a good 10 minutes. It was literally so heavy, guys. Time to go home. Getting coffee. And somebody paid for us. And I was like, Mom, should we pass it? And she goes, no, I need the money. So.
تقدم بنك دي بعد دايرة بتقدم توصلني $10 ضرب معاك
No, before we push I had like $3. That's what they say. But someone paid for us. This is the first time someone paid for me, and I'm literally so happy. How can pay with here? Oh. Okay guys, I just came upstairs. I did my skincare routine. I brushed my teeth. I did eat my Oreo McFlurry if you're asking. I'm in my room right now, so I can like talk how loud I want. Like I have my own room. Like this hasn't hit me. I watched Winx Club and now I'm gonna watch more Winx Club on my Chromebook. Why do I keep saying Chromebook? My MacBook. But I just wanted to end this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was just a bit everywhere, but I hope you guys at least had a bit fun. I hope you guys liked me messing around everywhere. What else? I love you. I don't know how to end and like start YouTube videos. Hope you guys loved if you did it. I just said that. I love you and see you later.